Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what up? So for today's video, I have for you guys something that I think is going to be very helpful for you guys. This video is going to be very informative, and this is going to be how to use up your body care products fast but efficiently. So I knew I wanted to film this video, but I did ask you guys on my community tab if this would be a video that you guys wanted to see, and pretty much 96% of the people who voted for this video, they wanted to see this type of video. And I think that is very informative because a lot of times when I do my layering videos or I do my empties videos, I always get questions on, you know, how do I use up so much product, or how do I go through my things so fast? How do I use up my fine fragrance mist and things so fast? And I feel like that's very important, especially if you are a collector or you're a person who wants a big collection. Using these products, knowing how to use them is going to be important, because unless you're just the type of person who likes to have the collection just for aesthetics purposes and you just like to look at your collection, you're gonna have to get through these products eventually. You're gonna have to use your products eventually. And I feel like if you're only going through one body spray every 3 months, but you have 50 of them, you know, something that's not really adding up, you know, like that's kind of extreme, you know what I'm saying? So I get through a lot of my products, so I feel like we should definitely talk about this. And before we get started, I'm just going to preface this video by saying, if you are a person who has a really large collection, like an extensive amount of products, I just want you to realize that it is okay to indulge in your products. It is okay to use a lot of your products. When you think about it, these are luxury items, and I don't mean luxury in the fact that they cost a lot of money or they're really expensive or anything like that. I mean luxury as in they're not a necessity. These are not things that we need to have in our life. They are literally luxury products that we partake in because we enjoy them, and that's it. So it's perfectly okay for you to indulge in these products and use a ton of them, especially like I said, if you have a lot. If you have 50 fragrance mists and you end up going through, let's say, even one a month, that's not a big deal. That's not a problem. So definitely learn how to enjoy your products, indulge in them, use a lot of them, and it's okay if you do, because these are not necessity items. So y'all are gonna hear me talk a little bit more about that when I get into actually showing you guys how to use the products, or in what ways you can use the products. Okay, so if you guys are interested in all of that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's actually go down the list of products, and let's start with body scrubs. So typically I can go through one body scrub a month, which I feel like is sufficient for me. My body scrub collection is not like out of control. I don't have a massive amount, but I do have a lot of body scrubs. But I feel like for scrubs, one a month is good, and even that is a lot for some people. Going through one body scrub a month is a lot for them. You guys can see how much of this Dove body polish I have right now. There's not very much of it, but if you are scrubbing your body twice a week, which is what I do. I know some people who scrub their body every single day. If you're scrubbing your body every single day, you're gonna get through a body scrub really quickly. But if you're using your scrub just twice a week and you are scrubbing your entire body, so your chest, your stomach, your butt, legs, arms, feet, everything, you can definitely go through a Dove body polish as well as a Tree Hut scrub in a matter of a month. You just have to be generous with the amount of product that you're using. Don't go in and scoop like a tiny amount and try and use that to scrub your chest or your arms. Go in and actually grab a good bit of product and use it to scrub and exfoliate your entire body. Like, enjoy the process while you're doing it, and that will help you to use more of your products. If you don't enjoy using your items, if you don't really partake and indulge in using your items, of course it's going to take you a longer time to use them up. If you're being really stingy with your items, of course it's going to take you a long time to use them up. I'm more so in the mindset of, I have so much stuff. I have so many different things. It doesn't matter if I were to use half of this product in one sitting. It really doesn't matter, because I know I have a ton more left. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of how I think of it with all of my products, my lotions, my sprays, my shower gels, all of that. You know, I really take the time to indulge in them and use a lot of them to do whatever it is their purpose is. And you guys might think, like, how is that using it efficiently though? It's using it efficiently because you're still getting the results. You're still getting the claims of whatever the product is. You're still getting that, but you're also enjoying your products. And then of course you're moving things out of your collection so that you can move on to the next thing, and your products aren't going bad. So that's how you're using it efficiently. So yes, for the Dove body scrubs, like I said, even if you're using this product just twice a week, scrub your whole entire body. Use an adequate amount of product. Stop being stingy with it and put it all over your body, and you will go through your body polishes or your scrubs in a week. Even the Tree Hut scrubs. I know these jars seem really, really big, but it's possible to go through them within a month. Okay, so the next product I have here is going to be shower gels. So I go through a ton of shower gel. I feel like shower gels are actually the easiest product to go through. So I'm going to show you guys a Method body wash and then my Bath & Body Works shower gel. So I already talked about this in a video, but layer your shower gels, layer your body washes. You don't have to use them like on top of each other, like maybe squirt a little bit in the on the rag or whatever you're using and then squirt another one on top of it. You don't have to use it like that, but use them back to back. So first go in with this all over your body and then go in with this one all over your body for the scent, because this one is going to really scent up the shower. This one is more so for actually cleansing. So layer your body washes and layer your shower gels. Even if you wanted to go in with this shower gel from Bath & Body Works and then top it off with another one because you want another scent, you want to layer those scents, do that as well, and that's how you can get through multiple products. Also, a lot of you guys, you are using the tiniest amount of shower gel and then you're wondering why you're only going through one shower gel in 3 months. I see a lot of people, this is how much shower gel they use. They put a little dollop like this onto their loofah or their rag, and they're expecting to go through this big 10 fluid ounce bottle of shower gel in a couple of weeks. No, when you guys see me, and I'm not wasting product, y'all are gonna think I'm wasting product, but trust me, I'm not. If you've seen any of my shower routines, I use a lot of body wash, and that's because for one, I have a lot of body wash to go through, and then two, I just love the luxurious feel of all of the suds, all of the bubbles, the scent in my shower. I love all of that, so I use a lot of it. Literally, you guys, I will go in, and this is how much shower gel I will use. This is me. This is me. That's literally me. That's how much shower gel I will use. And that's how much shower gel you guys want to use if you're trying to get through your shower gels. But yeah, you guys, definitely indulge in your products. Like, use more than you normally would, especially if you're trying to get through them. It's still going to give you the same effect. You're still going to feel the same feeling that you feel when you use a little bit. You're just using more now, and it's helping you to get through your products. It's helping you to get through your collection. Also, with your shower gels, you guys, you know you can use these to shave. You know that you can use these for hand soaps as well. I've seen people do that. I don't know if that's something that you guys would want to do, because maybe you have a ton of hand soaps already, so you can't really be using your shower gel as a hand soap. But you can definitely use it as a shaving agent. You might not need to buy anything to help you with shaving anymore, because you can use this. This is literally like this, or even my generic body washes. These are literally what I use to shave my underarms. Like, I will take some of this and I will rub it under there to kind of get a nice lather, and then I will use it to shave. So you can definitely multitask this product and use it in that way. So that's another way that you can go through it a little bit faster. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to fragrance mist. The fragrance mist situation is the same as the shower gel situation. A lot of you guys are spraying your fine fragrance mist as if it was some $200 perfume that's heavy beast mode. Like, literally it's gonna suffocate people if you spray more than 6 sprays. Some of you guys are taking your fine fragrance mist and you're spraying like this. And that's it, and you're done for the day. What was that, like 5 sprays? No, absolutely not. You have to spray this fine fragrance mist like there's no tomorrow. And just because I just put on my scent, I'm not going to show you guys a demonstration of me spraying this fine fragrance mist. But if you guys want to see how I spray my fine fragrance mist, definitely go and check out my how I apply my body care and perfumes to get my scent to last all day video, and you will see that I literally probably go through a quarter of my fine fragrance mist every time I use it, because I use so much of it when I'm going in and layering and doing all of my body care. You guys will see that. So y'all have to spray these sprays like there's no tomorrow. And even if you're not wanting to spray this like completely on your body and overspray on your body, there's other ways that you can use your fine fragrance mist. Use them to spray your bed, use them to spray your sheets, your pillows, use them to spray your curtains, use them as a room freshener, use them as a bathroom freshener. Put them in your car and spray them in your car after going to get food or something like that, or after lunchtime. Like, you have to spray these things in order to get through them, because it comes out as such a fine mist. Not much is getting used every time you use it, so you have to spray it multiple times to actually see a dent. So these are 8 fluid ounces, and just to show you guys, I just put velvet sugar into my project Use It Up. I was maybe about down to the word velvet when I put this in my project. It was, you know, I had used a quarter of it, but it was still relatively full, and now look, I'm like right above halfway. And that's just from me using it for a couple of days. You guys, you have to spray these fragrance mists. Stop being stingy with spraying the fragrance mist. Spray it all over. Spray it on your hairbrush, and then brush your hair with it, or spray it directly in your hair, depending on, you know, how you feel about spraying it in your hair. Spray it on your clothes. Spray it in your closet. Spray it on your shoes. Guys, spray these things everywhere, and I promise you will start to see more and more that you're getting through your sprays faster. Me personally, I don't even need to spray my sprays on my sheets or in my bathroom or in my car or anything like that, because just me using it on my body and my clothes, I'm using up a ton of it. But for those of you, like I said, who don't want to spray it on your body, just find other places to spray it. It's as simple as that, and that's how you're going to get through it. So now moving on to body butters and lotions. I'm putting these both in the same category. Even the body creams, I'm going to put them into the same category, because you can use these all the same way. So I know there's a lot of people out there who do not moisturize their entire body every day. Like, they literally don't put lotion on every day. I have to. With me showering twice a day, I have to put lotion on my body every single time that I get out of the shower. So if you're like me and you shower twice a day, obviously you're going to lotion down, or you should lotion down twice a day as well. And you should lotion your full entire body from your neck all the way down to your toes. Remember to get your back. Remember to get your butt. Nobody likes ashy butt crack. So lotion your butt. You don't have to put it obviously like in your groin area or down there in your sensitive parts, but definitely lotion everywhere, you guys. You can lotion your feet. You can lotion your butt. You can lotion your elbows. Like, you know, just put your lotion on everywhere, and that in itself is going to help you go through those products. But again, it is about how much you're using. Make sure you're using an adequate amount for each body part. Don't be using a quarter size amount to lotion both of your arms. Like, what is that? You know, use more lotion. Use more for your legs. Like, your legs are a bigger area to cover, so use more lotion for your legs. And that is how you're going to get through your body butters and your lotions. I just want to show you guys where I'm at with this body butter. This is my Snowflakes and Cashmere body butter. You guys, like, I'm going through this body butter so super fast because I'm using it like all over my body, and I'm only using this once a day. I use it at night, and I'm not even using it every single night because I'm sharing my usage with Velvet Sugar. So I'm not even using this every single night, and I'm still running through this body butter because I'm making sure to indulge in the product and put it all over my body and really enjoy the experience of putting this product all over my body, really enjoying the experience of having the scent heavy on my skin when I get into my clean sheets, and it just feels really good. It feels luxurious. It feels nice and soft. So definitely moisturize your skin, you guys, and that's how you're gonna get through your lotions. But once again, you can also use your lotions as a shaving agent, just like with the shower gels. Put the lotion on your legs and use it to shave with. And that's really similar to like shaving creams, because usually shaving creams are moisturizing to keep you from getting like razor burn and stuff like that. Why not just use your lotions? And I get that they're scented, so you might not want to use your scented products when you're shaving because your skin is going to be sensitive. But if you don't have sensitive skin, use your lotions and stuff for shaving as well. Okay, so then last but not least, the last product that I'm going to talk about is perfumes. Perfumes. So as you guys know, I have a lot of perfumes. I have a huge perfume collection, but I still use a ton of my perfumes kind of in the same way as my fragrance mist. Whenever I use them, I use a ton. Now for me, once again, just like with the fine fragrance mist, I feel as though going ham on a perfume is not that big of a deal to me, but that's just me personally. I know some people, they like to savor their perfumes. They spent a good pretty penny on their perfume, so they like to savor them a little bit more and not spray as much. They'll go ham on a body spray, but they won't go ham on a perfume. But once again, I'm kind of in this mindset, like I have a ton of perfumes. I have so many perfumes. I'm going to have to start using them up eventually. Eventually, I'm going to have to use up my perfumes. So I kind of have the same mindset. I spray a lot of my perfumes when I am using them. And let's just be honest, not a lot of perfumes out there on the market are super heavy beast mode to where you might only need to spray like 3 or 4 sprays of the perfume and it'll last you all day, and you'd have to worry about sending somebody into a coughing fit or something like that. There's not very many perfumes out there on the market unless you're buying like Middle Eastern fragrances or fragrances that are heavy on like the leather and the wood and the patchouli and stuff like that. You know, like most designer mainstream fragrances are not super duper heavy. And so I feel like because I like my scent to last all day, because I like the layering process, I spray a lot of my perfumes. Take for example this Jimmy Choo illicit perfume. I bought this perfume back in February. You guys, it is like the first week of March, a little over the first week of March. And you guys see how much of this perfume I've used. I'm literally under halfway with this perfume. And for one, it is because I really like it, but also it's because when I was using it with my Snowflakes and Cashmere body butter and fine fragrance mist, I was spraying a lot of this perfume. Indulge in your fragrances. When you layer them and you want them to last all day, naturally you're gonna spray a little bit more than you normally would. Instead of going in with 5 sprays, you might spray, and I know this is gonna sound outrageous, but you might spray 15. And that is a lot. You're using a lot of product every time you use this perfume. So if you're using this perfume every single day and you're using 15 sprays every single day, you might be able to go through a 2-ounce bottle of perfume in a matter of 2, maybe even 3 months. But again, if you have a larger collection, that's kind of good. That's kind of good that you're going through your perfumes like that. You're not just letting them sit and age, because perfumes do go bad. As much as we like to think otherwise, perfumes definitely can go bad, and there's no way to pinpoint which ones are gonna go bad before others or which ones are gonna maintain their scent if you put them in a dark room. There's no way to tell. So it's better to just use your products, go through your products, love on your products, enjoy your products, instead of just using them sparingly and letting them sit there and then they potentially go bad. So yeah, but that is it, you guys. That is literally all I wanted to talk about in this video on how to use up your products fast but efficiently. And I feel like this is going to help some of you out there who are really honing in and getting in your collection and starting to use up your things that are older or things that you just want to get rid of. I think this is really going to be helpful for you guys. This is also going to be helpful for those of you who really just want to enjoy your collection and enjoy it more. So yeah, I hope this video helps somebody. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know that you enjoyed it. If you're new, sis, thank you so much for watching. You should definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the Fragrance and Beauty Army, as well as that bell notification so you can be notified every single time that I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.